How to create a static menu with commands in Telegram bot on Smart Center. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna, and in this video we will learn how to create a static menu for Telegram chatbot. The first step, go to the section Grow Tool. Choose the Smart Messenger and here Grow Tools and our menu Telegram menus and create our menu. Click the button Create and choose our Telegram bot. For example, I choose this one and select a language. For example, if I choose English language but the user has German language, then this menu will be unavailable. And here you can choose a few language or choose nothing. I am not choosing anything and the user will see the menu anyway. Continue. Choose my Telegram bot and here we will set up the commands, and depending on the command the user will receive different message. First of all, we need to create a funnel with messages that user will receive. I already have a large funnel ready where we see how to do this setup. This is the fitness club part of the big funnel. I have only left the first message and the welcome message. My welcome message, greeting and first name. I am online fitness counselor at GoGym. From me you can find out the schedule and cost of workouts, sign up for a free trial lesson, get more information about our club and trainers. And 3 button. I want to delete this 3 button and use menu command. Deleting the 3 button. 1 second and this one, delete. Okay, and I am set up menu with command. The first, it is about this is club. The second, a price, and third, it is possible sign up for the trial lesson. All command will be started by a trigger. Now I have one trigger. It is menu, main menu. This is the command that we create to launch the first message. This one. I am automatically continue this block. As I mentioned earlier, it is a part of large funnel and at any moment the user can return to the first message. Go back our Grow Tools and create the first command. The name of the first command will be menu plus command, enter command. The first, we write a slash and next word a menu. And here you need to write your description. Main menu. Okay. If you use the same command within the same bot but in different menus, the action will be performed on the first create one. If you need to use the same command but in the different languages, use prefix for each language. This is very important. And continue. And here we choose the action that should happen. In our case, it is a resubscribe to the first funnel or send the first message. And I am selection here, name my funnels. The first action. Subscribe to funnel and name, it was some fitness, template fitness club, and continue. You can add a lot of more action. And my next command, back to our flow. This is okay. About a club. I copy this one, automatically continue this one, back, and enter command with slash and write some text. For example, this one. And continue. This is, I choose another action to trigger the event and name this trigger same one. Action, add, fire event, and name this event. It is the same than this one. And continue. Okay, and we have two more commands. This will be timetable, and another one, copy this, I call tail lesson. Okay, copy name this trigger, back menu Telegram plus next command. This is slash and timetable, and continue. Action, fire event, this one, call this event, next one, tail lesson, back, new command, slash, description, and continue, and fire event 2, and name this event. When user click the menu button or write a command with a slash, they will get one of this message. And I want to add some notification if user choose the menu trail lesson. Notification, continue. I choose my name, the first, and administrator, and text for me. The user is interested in this lesson, and I know about all of this user, and confirm. Okay, guys. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 command. We are subscribe some funnel. We fire some event, and I will be receive some notification. Next step, update, continue, your funnel, publish to, and go to test this flow. Preview, select the Telegram, this is one, and continue. Start. Okay, this is guys the first message, and we have a menu. Click this menu and we can choose different command. For example, about a club, we receive the message about a club, or I can write some or choose some different command. If I write the slash, write the trail lesson. Okay, the second message I receive such as a user, and the first message I receive such an administrator. Okay, guys? If I choose the main menu again, I receive my first message. Okay, guys, today you have learned how to set up a menu with command in Telegram to communicate with your subscribers. Like and subscribe to our channel, don't miss a new lesson. See you soon, guys. Bye.